Building the app is only half the job. Publishing and sharing is what turns it into something the business actually uses. Save Ctrl+S stores your latest changes as a new version. Only you, the maker, see them. Publish pushes the saved version to all users who already have access. Until you publish, end users keep seeing the previous version. Best practice: save often, publish only when a feature is ready. Versions are kept, so you can restore a previous one if a release breaks something. From make.powerapps.com, open apps, hover on yours, click Share. Add users or Microsoft 365 groups. Groups are much easier to maintain. Choose a role. User can run the app. Co-owner can run, edit, and share. Share the underlying data source as well: SharePoint list permissions, Dataverse security roles, connections. Sharing only the app is not enough. Users will hit "You don't have permission" when the app tries to read the data. A short launch email with a screenshot, the link, and a one-sentence reason to use it. A 2-minute screen recording showing the happy path. A feedback channel, Teams chat, mailbox, so users know how to report issues. Watch Power Platform Admin Center analytics for usage and errors. Plan a 30-day check-in with users to gather feedback before the next release. Publish your employee request system to your own environment. Share it with one colleague or a personal test account. Watch them use it for the first time. Without coaching, that's the most honest UX test you'll ever run.